Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you the most demanding, stylish, stunning and eye-catching pencil heels. So these are very beautiful and very gorgeous heels for those ladies and for those girls who love to try this type of trendy and stunning wearings. You can try these heels as any type of wearing, like as office wear, party wear, street wear, casual wear, wedding wear, even as any type of wearing. These will enhance your personality wherever and whenever you want. All the designs are so beautiful, stylish, gorgeous and lovely. So my dear friends, I must suggest you must watch this video till the end and try one of these pencil heels. And if you want to buy any of these heels online, I will tell you the best websites from where you can shop these. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all my videos and you will never miss any collection of my YouTube channel. So my dear friends, you can shop these high heels from www.amazon.com, www.shoeever.com, www.itsai.com, www.lightinthebox.com, www.aliexpress.com, and some other websites. So my dear friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button in my YouTube channel. I always try to show you the video of the most demanding and trendy fashion and designs of latest fashion through my videos. So please tell me in the comment section that how was the video and how were the designs. And if you want to know about something else, then tell me in the comment section. I'll try my best to show you the video that you like and the video of most demanding and trendy fashion. So my dear friends, till the next video, goodbye. Thanks for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more ideas and more videos and more collection of trendy fashion. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, and also don't forget to share my video and give your feedback in the comment section. So my dear friends, till the next video, goodbye. See you soon with the most demanding fashion. Goodbye my dear friends, take care.